guys, welcome back to our channel and another episode of Under 30 Minutes. Today we're going to teach you how to cook steamed hairy gourd with minced pork. So before we begin, we actually start off with preparing the ginger. We peel off the skin. Next we're going to mince it. Cut into strips first, and then if you want to mince it, it's easier. Next, you take the minced pork, put in the minced ginger, add in the soya, brown sugar, salt, pinches of pepper, and corn flour. Next, we mix it. Make sure you mix well. I prefer to use my hands because I think it mixes better than using a spoon. And using corn flour, we usually tenderize the meat and give it a smoother texture after steaming. Okay. Now we set it aside. Next, you prepare the mushrooms. This mushroom has been soaked for like 20 minutes, so you can do it in advance in soaking. Dice it. Okay. You want to mix it into the mince again. So let the marinade sit there for like 10 minutes. Next, you prepare another ginger for the sauce by slicing it into strips. So again, you peel off the skin. Okay. Slice it thinly. Okay, set it aside for later use. Okay, next you prepare the hairy gourd. Why is it called hairy gourd? Because you can feel that there's like tiny little hairs that's on the skin of this gourd. Okay, so now you peel it. next you cut off this portion, tail end. Make sure you slice off all the skin. Okay. Then you cut it into tubes of 1 inch. Okay. Next, you have to remove all the seeds here. So you use a spoon, just go around it and scoop it up. Next, you actually use the marinated minced pork and stuff it into the haricot and let it sit inside nicely, like this. So this is ready to be steamed. So you have to prepare your steamer. Okay, better to use some hot boiling water and to heat up the water is faster. Make sure you have enough water in the wok. Okay, we have to let it boil first before we put the dish into the steamer. Okay, the water is ready for steaming the dish now. Okay, so you put it inside and steam for like 15 minutes. Make sure you set a timer and then don't overcook the dish. Okay, I guess now our dish is ready and ta-da! Nicely steamed. I'm going to put this pan on to make the sauce. Sorry, it's a bit wet. Okay. Take this. Careful, it's hot. So what we do is just pour the sauce inside this pan. Now I'm going to add the oyster sauce. The soya. Sesame oil. Chicken stock. Stir it and mix well. Now I'm going to thicken the sauce with some cornstarch and water. Cook it gradually. sauce is ready. Okay, now we're going to pour this over the melon. Sprinkle some chopped spring onions. Okay, the dish is ready to be served.
Thank you for watching this episode of Under 30 Minutes. If you want the full recipe, it is on our website, link in the description below. If you enjoyed this episode, please like, subscribe and turn on post notifications to stay tuned for our next few episodes. Bye!